happy you survived. But still, the Warden is victorious.
How so?
This late in her plans, every second Cortana gains is a gift. Quickly now! The gateway is just behind that hill.
117. If you can hear me, we are approaching the gateway. Hold your position.
Cortana's still blocking the comms?
Indeed. But I can assure you that the humans are still in the gateway.
I have misjudged you, lot. I have mistaken your behavior as tenacity, when it is in fact suicidal foolishness.
Watch for snipers in the back!
You have fought a worthy battle, Spartans. But your fight is done. Come, let us battle our last.
Humans, watch out! You're surrounded!
Well, what'd we do before we had her around to point things out to us?
Accept your fate. Filth! Be cleansed!
You've injured him for certain. Keep it up.